Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by closing Fortnite and the Epic Games launcher. This frees locked files and GPU resources. Next, open Task Manager and end associated processes so nothing interferes. Once done, check Windows Update and your GPU driver version and install updates because outdated drivers often cause stalls. Make sure to free disk space, aim for at least 10% free so virtual memory can expand. Finally, disable background apps that use CPU or disk. This reduces contention and prevents recurrent hangs. Now you perform deeper checks to eliminate corruption and bad game data. First run sfc/scano and then dism restore health to repair system files. These commands fix OS-level causes of freezes. Once complete, open the Epic Games launcher and verify Fortnite files. This replaces corrupt game assets. Next, clear Fortnite's shader cache to rebuild GPU resources. If you still see stalls, adjust virtual memory to a custom paging file of roughly 1.5 to 3 times your RAM because insufficient page file can trigger hangs. Finally, perform a clean GPU driver reinstall using the in safe mode and then install the latest drivers. This removes lingering driver conflicts. Next, reset Fortnite settings to default and test in low graphics and windowed mode to isolate whether settings cause the issue. If that works, re-enable options one at a time. If the hang persists, collect logs, Unreal Engine crash dumps and Epic logs. One key tip: test on another account or reinstall Epic to rule out profile corruption before full system reimage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.